we are going to focus on the user dashboard by providing the raw data about the user. At the moment, we are done with the following and then the followers. And also, when I click on the my followers, I want to see all my followers, likewise my following. At the moment, they are all rendering empty screens. So let's focus on the my followers and then the my following. Let's look at the logic. It's going to be simple. And that is, for the user profile, we have all the details. Let me show you at the back end. At the back end, if I fetch my profile, I think my server is not running. Likewise, the front end, let me check. Yeah. So let's see again. Here, this is my profile. And let me collapse the post. And here we have the followers and then the following. So it means that we have to populate the raw data about the followers. So let's get back to the backend and let's do that. In the users controller, which is this, for the profile, this is register, logging in, and down here it should be somewhere, yeah, this one. Yeah, so here we are going to populate the followers and also populate the following. All right, so let's see. And let's check the followers. And now we have the raw data about the followers. So we are going to display this on the user dashboard. So back to the front end and let's locate the account summary. Not that, we have to display the component first. And I have provided the template as my followers and then my following. So let's see, if I click on the my followers, this is the path and that is my following. Okay, so let's do that. In the app, we are going to mount it in the user dashboard. So let me copy this and change this one to my following or my followings, and then the path is going to be dash my followings, and then here as my following. Well, I have an error. The profile API is not, which is my following. Yeah, remove this API. I think I have to place it inside the component of the users than in the template. Sorry guys, so I'm gonna place it inside the users here. Yeah, this one. So let me collapse the template, remove these ones. Yeah, so let's import it well. Yeah, it has been updated. So let's check the my following component and let's remove the profile API from here. Likewise, the avatar, or we can maintain it. Therefore, I have to comment out that. Yeah, I think we are good to go. So let's see, and this is the component for the my following. So how are we going to get the following of this particular user? So it means that we have to fetch the user profile. And lucky for us, we have the logic for fetching the user profile in the account summary, which is this. And this is the API for user profile, which is somewhere here. User profile. Not this one, supposed to be Yeah, this one. So let me copy this and back to my following, paste that, and let's require use query and then the API itself. Yeah, we have the APIs already, so let's log the data about the profile of the user. Let's check, and we have the user as that. So here we are going to take the my followers, supposed to be my following. Yeah, so here is going to be as get the user following, and it's going to be as my following is equal to data, let me check, dot user and then dot following. Now let's log the my following and let's see, and we have it as an array. So we are going to loop through this and display them accordingly. So down here I am looping through as always. Let me bring it back, and we will need the avatar for displaying the user profile in case the user don't have any profile picture. All right, so here we are looping through and displaying the profile picture of the user in case we have one. Otherwise, use the avatar and here the username and then the email of the user, and that is it. But for the, let me check one more time. Yeah, let's see. And we have one user following the login user. All right, so let's also work on the my following. It's supposed to be my followers. It's going to be the same thing, right? So we can even copy and paste this and then change the property name, and that is it. But let's use the component for the my followers. It's going to be the same thing, and in the app, which is this, let me copy this and here as my followers, change this one to followers and then my followers. Let's see, click on that, supposed to be my followers. Yeah, O is here, supposed to be this. Okay, now the same thing in the my following, copy this and then here paste that, bring in the API and change this one to followers. So here as my followers. All right, and down here I'm looping through. Let's bring it back, and the avatar, yeah, not this one, supposed to be from the users and avatar, this one. So let's require that. All right, let's see, and there we go. We have the followers and then the following. Good. So next step is going to be the earnings. Let's continue in the next video.